Good morning, Ma'am Bless. And today I'm going to present my vocabulary. 20 vocabularies with meaning, synonym, and antonym. The first is majestic. Majestic meaning grand, synonym, regal, antonym, humble. Then, majestic, breathtaking, breathtaking, astonishing, stunning, boring, then vibrant, lively, energetic, of dull. Then paradise, utopia, heaven, hell. Tourists, ay visitors, travelers, o locals. Hotspot ay hub, center of backwater. Then ang pristine ay untouched, immaculate or polluted. Tapos historic ay significant, ancient or modern. Then rich kay wealthy, prosperous, and poor. Tapos rich kay diverse kay varied. Tapos varied, assorted, uniform. Then ang extraordinary kay exceptional, remarkable, or ordinary. Then ang beautiful kay attractive, gorgeous, o ugly. Tapos unique ay one of a kind, distinctive, or common. Then ang unique, iconic, symbolic, energetic, legendary, symbolic, legendary, or obscure. Then ang memorable kay unforgettable, impressive, or forgettable. Memorable, famous. Famous kay Then well-known or unknown. Colorful kay bright, vivid, or monochrome. Tapos delicious kay tasty. Then appetizing, or bland. Then ang lively kay animated. Ang lively kay animated. Lively kay animated.
Spirit.
Animated, spirited, or sluggish. Tapos ang lively, ang modern kay contemporary, current, or ancient.
Okay, congratulations.